How to transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to transfer your CapCut projects from your phone to your PC, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to sync your CapCut projects seamlessly. So let's get started. First thing first, let's open our CapCut account. And here, you need to make sure you're logged into the same CapCut account both on your mobile device and your PC. This is crucial for the transfer process. Now, once you're in the CapCut, click on the library at the bottom of your screen. Next, once you're in the library, tap on Spaces. Here, if you have not created a space yet, click on the plus icon at the top right and then hit Create Space. Once you have done that, you can upload all your projects in here. Let me upload this one. The project is uploading, and once you've uploaded your projects, it's time to switch to your PC. Open the CapCut app and click on the settings icon. You will see an option to manage space. By default, it will show your personal space. Click on it to access your uploaded projects. If you can't see your data, don't worry, just click on join space. Now, back on your mobile, tap on the cloud icon at the top right corner and then click on members. Once you're in the members, here select the invite at the bottom of your screen and then click on copy link. Now that we have to send it to our PC, so I'll simply open the WhatsApp, and while I'm in WhatsApp, I'll send it to myself. Okay. Like this, you can send the link to yourself. Now, using this link, you can log into your CapCut account at your PC. Once you're logged in, click on Spaces on the left side of your screen, scroll down a bit, and you should see all your uploaded projects right there in your space. This makes it super easy to access and manage your project directly from your PC. And that's it, you have successfully transferred your CapCut projects from your mobile phone to your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on video editing and content creation. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is any specific topic you would like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.